How can I update DNS records for my website? Are you wondering how to update DNS records for your website? You're in the right spot. Let's break it down step by step so you can manage your domain with ease. First, you need to log into your domain registrar or DNS hosting account. This is where your domain is registered or where your DNS settings are managed. Common providers include GoDaddy, Google Domains, and Cloudflare. Once you are logged in, look for the Domain Management or DNS Management section. This area may be labeled as Manage Domains, DNS Settings, or Advanced DNS. It varies by provider, but you will find it in your account dashboard. Next, find the DNS Records area. Here, you will see existing records like a records, CNAME records, mix records, and others. Each type serves a different purpose, such as mapping your domain to an IP address or directing email traffic. To update a record, select the one you want to change. For example, if you are updating an A record, you will need to edit the fields like host, type, time to live, and value. The host is usually your subdomain or root domain, while the type indicates whether it is an A record, CNAME record, or another type. The time to live setting controls how long the record is cached before it is refreshed. After making your changes, make sure to save them. If you want to add a new record, look for the option to add a record. Fill in the required details based on the record type and save it as well. If you need to delete a record, select it and choose the delete option. Always confirm the deletion to ensure it is removed from your DNS settings. After you have made your updates, remember that changes can take some time to propagate. This means it may take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 48 hours for the changes to be reflected worldwide. If you are changing your authoritative name servers, that process is separate from editing DNS records. If you run into authentication errors while editing records, sometimes deleting the old record and adding a new one can solve the issue. Different registrars or DNS providers may have slightly different interfaces, but the general process remains the same. The time to live setting is important as it controls how long DNS resolvers cache the record before checking for updates. Default time to live settings are often 1 to 2 hours, but you can customize them if needed. By following these steps, you can effectively update your DNS records. This is essential for managing your website's online presence and ensuring that traffic routes correctly to your services. So, dive in and take control of your domain today.